So if you guys are interested in using the Google Calendar scheduler to schedule any of your benchmark meetings or anything else so that parents can go in and choose their time instead of you having to kind of email back and forth to figure out a good time, here's the way that you would do that. Go ahead and click on the day that you want to schedule, and instead of leaving it on event, you're going to go ahead and click on the appointment slots tab up here. Name your event. It is automatically going to be spread over 2 days, so if you only want it to be 1 day, make sure you go ahead and edit that so we can make this just the 26th, and then put your time in. So say if we wanted to test that day from, let's say, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Whoa. And then you can either choose to have one single slot the whole time, so it would just be one person testing for 7 hours, or slots with duration. And if you choose slots with duration, you want to make sure that you're choosing how long each slot lasts. Otherwise, it's just going to be one very long appointment. So say we wanted to do 60-minute slots, so each person would have 1 hour to test. We could do that, and it's automatically going to set it to where each appointment slot starts on the hour, since we started at 8 o'clock. So we would have appointments from 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, all the way up until 3. So parents can't choose whatever time they want in there. They're only able to choose those pre-made times that Google Calendar has set for you. If you click make it a Zoom meeting, it's automatically going to put those Zoom links into every single meeting. It's going to put whatever you have as your automatic Zoom link, your personal meeting link. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And you can see we've created that right here. Anytime you have a scheduler on that day, it's going to have this little window looking symbol here. And if we click that, there's going to be a link that says go to appointment page for this calendar. And that's going to be the link that you want to send to your parents. So we can just copy and paste that URL into an email for them. The one thing that you want to remember is if you're scheduling a couple of weeks out, your calendar will be blank on the week that they are if you don't have appointment slots at that time. So say I was scheduling for 2 weeks from now, it may look like this when they pull it up. So you want to instruct them to toggle over using this arrow to the week that they're actually making the appointment so that they can see those available slots. I usually send them like a 5-step set of instructions on how to make these appointments. They're just going to click on any of those gray boxes. Those are all the available appointment times. When they log in, they won't be able to see any of this additional stuff with your scheduled appointments, so they won't be able to see anyone's personal information. They would just click on a gray box. I always ask them to rename the appointment slot with their student's first name and last initial. It has the Zoom link here, and then just that regular Zoom invitation, and then click Save. Let's go to the one we just made here. So we just made this one on the 26th. You can see we have all the appointment slots from 8 a.m. all the way to 3 p.m. So we can click one, hit Save, and it's automatically going to put that on their Google Calendar. They can click View and Edit. It'll automatically put it on your Google Calendar as well, and it's also going to send you an email letting you know that they signed up and when. So you don't have to send them anything. It's automatically going to send them the link, put it on their calendar. If they don't have a Gmail, it's just going to send them an email with that. But you don't have to send them anything. It should all be good to go. If you do have to sign a parent up if they're not able to use this for any reason or they can't quite figure it out, and you want to sign them up for one of these pre-made slots, you could just do exactly what I just did and put their student's name in there. And then when this little box pops up, you just click View, Edit in Calendar, and it's going to pull up that calendar event for you. So you can just click Edit and go ahead and add them as a guest on there.